Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today we're talking about Amazon Flex. What is it? It's basically driving for Amazon with your own vehicle and making deliveries. And you might be looking for this video because it's maybe unavailable in your country. It happens to be unavailable in my country as well. We can check the locations in which it works. And basically, from what you can see by pressing locations, these are just American US states. So it's currently unavailable everywhere else. I believe that in Canada you can download the app, but it tells you as soon as you download it that it is unavailable in your country. However, you will get an email once it is available. And as soon as you are, then you can apply for it. But if you don't have it on the system or you don't have it in your store, chances are, by store, I mean App Store, it's not available in your country. But at least if you do have it, it will email you to tell you once it becomes available. So if you do have Amazon Flex available in your country, this is the list of requirements if you want to start making money in your spare time. Basically, you must live in an area where Amazon Flex operates. You must deliver in one of those cities. And I just showed you the cities, and basically it's the US. Just be 21 years old or older. That's also one. You should have a valid US driver's license. Have a mid-sized or larger vehicle and insurance so that, if anything happens, insurance can take care of it. An iPhone or an Android smartphone, a bank account to get paid through, and you're ready to drive. So all you need to do is just wait until you meet all of these requirements and Amazon Flex is available in your country to be able to drive for Amazon, basically. Thank you for watching.